Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Hi, Srashti. Good evening.
Hi, good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, today we have to start with multiplication and division, right? Okay.
Okay, miss. But wait. Can you do the previous page? Wait,
Uh,
I'll show you what to do.
yes, sure.
Not actually, it's not this one.
Mm.
The first page. Yeah. Wait. I'm not sure.
Okay.
This one. Actually, okay. This one, miss, because I'm not going to do that first 2 pages. I just sent it because you can give me the activities of that, and the mister just taught us zero and multiplying zero with any number and that things.
Okay, if you multiply 0 with any number and divide 0 with any number, what will happen, right?
Yes, only that.
Okay, fine. Actually, this multiplication table is like, see, when you see this one, okay, Srashti, see this one. This multiplication, why is my pen not working? Yes. This is the operation we are having here, okay? Fine. So, what you have to do first, you have to start with 0 times 0 is, answer is 0. Fine. Okay, Srashti? Then I will go with 0 times 1. What it will be? 0. Okay? So, then again 0 times 2. What will be? 0. So, you have a rule that if you multiply any number with 0, answer will be 0. Fine, Srashti? Okay? If you add or subtract any number with 0, the same number you will get it back. Okay? But if you multiply any number with 0, answer will be 0. Okay? Got it? For example, I can say you, suppose I wanted to buy, okay, you have 3 tickets with you, okay? One ticket is costing some 3 rupees or something. Fine, Srashti? What will be 0 tickets, Srashti? Totally everything will become 0, right?
0?
Yes. So that's what I'm saying, that when you multiply any number with 0, answer will be 0. Got it? If you add or subtract any number with that 0, you will get the same number. For multiplication, any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay? Then any number divided by anything is again 0. So what is the concept? Multiplying or dividing any number with 0, you will get 0.
0.
Okay, Srashti? Okay. So if I'm saying 4 times 0, what is the answer? It will be
0.
Yes. That's where your multiplication table was there. Okay, what they have started? They have started a multiplication sign there. Okay, just a minute. So, I will start with, suppose this is the multiplication here. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 5, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, for example, I have taken. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they started there with the number, okay, 0. Okay, sorry. 0 times 0 is what? 0. 0 times this operation you have to do here, okay? Times 1 is 0. 0 times 2 is what?
0.
Yes. Okay, you can write. 0 times 3 would be? Yes. 0 times 4? 0 times 5? Yes. 0 times 6? Yes. Very good. Now, 1 times 0? Yeah. Next, Ashti.
I don't
1 times 0. No, you have to write the answer here. I was writing. 1 minute. Why it is not erasing? Yeah. Answer, you have to write it here, Sashti. 1 times 0 is 0. Okay? What is 1 times 1? Write the answer here.
1,
1 times 2?
2,
Okay. 1 times 3? Start writing the answers here. Yes, correct. Yeah. So, 1 times 4 is 4. Yes. Next, 2. Number 2. So, 2 times 0 is 0. No, Sashi, 2 times 0 is 0. First, you have to start with this. Okay? Okay? 2 times 1 is?
1.
Yes. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 ones are 2, right?
Sorry, 2.
Okay. Next, 2 times 2.
4.
Oops. What happened? Okay. Then the next one.
Sorry. 6,
Ah.
6. I write it by hand only.
Okay. I can understand. 2 times 4 is?
2 times 4 is 8. Wait.
Yes. Then 2 times 5 is? Very good. Yes. Then come to 3. Start with this 3.
3, 0, 6, 9.
No. Wrong. Sashti. 3 ones are is what? You have left 3.
6.
No. 3 ones are is what? 3 times 1 is what? Yes. 6. Very good.
Okay.
Yes. Now you can continue.
3 times
2 is?
6.
Multiply this with this, like that. Okay. 3 times 3 is 9. 3
9.
times 4. Tell
3
and then do.
times 3 times 4 is 12.
Very good. Okay. Next.
3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18.
3 6 are 18. Very good. Yes.
4.
4 times?
0.
Very good. 4 times 1
4.
is 4. Yes.
4 times 2 is 8.
Yes.
4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 60. Sorry, 16.
Correct. Good.
4 times 5 is 20.
Yes.
4 times 6 is 24.
Yes. Up to 5 you complete.
5 times 1, 5 times 0 is 0.
Very good.
5,
Yes.
10, 20.
No. 15. 5 3s
10.
are?
Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
15. It's okay. No need to do lines.
Okay.
20,
Yes.
25, 30.
Yes. Now if you see this, Sashti, just see This vertical line is there, no? All are zero tables. One, if you see, one ones are one, one twos are two, one threes are three. Like that it goes on. Yes. And this is two tables it's going on, right? Then 3 tables, 4 tables, 5 tables, 6 tables. The same thing happens for horizontal also. Okay, Srashti? Yes. This is why we use the multiplication table. Okay. This is what given here also. They have given up to 12 tables now. Okay. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
For 12 tables and all, if it is difficult, you can do the normal multiplication. That is, for example, 12 twos are 24 because 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. If you feel that multiplication sometimes is difficult, okay, you start with 12 ones are 12. Okay, Srashti? Start adding up 12 to each one. Okay. What will happen? 12 threes are addition is easy for us always. 6
36.
36. Yes. Again add 12 to 36. Again add 12 to 36.
12 to 36.
Hmm.
Okay.
Keep on adding 12, you will get the next numbers. Okay.
I know this one.
Now then again, if you go for 14 tables, keep on adding 14 to each one, you will get 14 tables. Okay. You understand?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now, the next one. Okay. So always this is a factor. We call it to be factor. 5 is a factor and 3 is a factor. If you multiply two factor, you will get a product of that. Okay. Fine, Srashti? Factor is like a number which gives the, for example, I will say you know what is the factors and multiples, right, Srashti? You have studied
Yes.
last grade. Yes. So 5 is a factor and 3 is a factor. When you multiply, you will get a product of that. Okay? Yes, 1 second. You wanted an exercise in this, right? Oh, the page
Yes.
is repeated. Okay. 1 minute. Yes, okay. You want it from the textbook or Srashti, or you want my worksheet separately? First, you
Miss,
will
why
try
are
with your textbook.
the same?
No, you are, just wait. I will turn it down. 1 minute. Because 2 to 3 pages your mom has sent repeated or something. Again, it is coming, and my document also, when I saved it, coming the same. 1 minute. Yeah, here it is. Expanded
Yeah,
form, standard.
also this by it has been in the school.
Yes, standard form. I will teach you this whole numbers. Where
No,
is that? I
easy.
saw one.
Wait. If
Not this church. Hmm.
wait,
Yeah,
miss,
tell me.
wait.
Hmm.
If there is a number like if there is a number like
Hmm.
1, 2, 5, 9,
Hmm.
6,
Hmm.
4. What is its expanded form? We have to write like this: 1, 0, 0, dash 0, 0, 0
Hmm. Plus
plus 2, 0, 0, 0, 0
20,000.
plus 5, 0, 0, 0
Yes.
plus
Hmm.
9, 0, 0 plus
Hmm.
6, 0 plus 4.
Yes, correct. Okay. Writing numbers in expanded form means you will add plus plus and go. Okay. That's called as an expanded form. Okay. Yes. Now, let me take that addition and multiplication. I saw one worksheet. Just a second. Just give me a minute. Otherwise, I will give my worksheet now. Okay. Yes. Say this, Rashti. Just tell me. 5 times 7
35,
is.
0, 32, 24, 48, 48,
Hmm.
54, 27, 12, 55,
Hmm.
56, 90, 21.
1 second. I'm giving my numbers. Okay. You have to till 12 tables you have, right? Okay. 12 times 7. 11 times 4. 10 times 8. You can write the answer. 12 times 7, 11 times 4, 10 times 8, 9 times 9, 8 times 7. Yes, Rashti.
So 12 times 12 times 7, 84. 84.
What happened? You're writing. It's coming slowly for me. Yeah, now I can see. Yes. Okay, next one. Okay, fill in the blanks for this. 5 times dash is 25.
5 times 5, 8 times 6, 12 times
Hmm.
1, 10 times 2 means 8 times 12, 9
Hmm.
times 8, 7 times 4, 10 times 9, 11
Hmm.
times 4, 11
Hmm.
times 4, 6 times
Okay.
9, 4
Okay.
times 4 times 5.
Yeah. Okay. Next one. Let me give one thing. Just 1 second. Let me upload the file.
Miss, why this much time?
1 minute. It's like sometimes it would be difficult for us to upload it. Sometimes it would be easy actually. 1 second. It's not clicking only. What is happening? Okay, let me give the number by myself. Shall I write the question on the board? That's better.
Miss, why? No, okay, Miss, but
Ah,
why it has sent my worksheets 4 5 times or more than it?
pardon? I can't get you.
Why has my worksheet sent to 4 5 times?
I don't know, Srashti. It's like it's coming like that, and I got that. And while up, I have been saving. No, that time it happens like that. That's not a big deal. It's okay.
Okay,
Sometimes it happens, right? 1 second. I think I have to write the number by myself. This is taking so much time. I don't want to waste the time on this. Just a minute. Let me take my own. I will
yeah,
give
Miss,
the
but
number.
this one I'm feeling difficulties.
Which one, Srashti?
This one.
Estimated difference.
Hmm.
Okay, estimating the difference. Okay, I will just teach that. Before that, I will give one more. I wanted to ask you one question. Let's see how you are answering for that. 12 times dash is equals to, yes, no,
Oh,
think,
48, sorry, it's 4 4 4 4.
yes, you are able to do. Okay, fine. Just a minute, dear. What is the other one? You have to answer me. Give two pairs of single digit factor that the result in a product of 24. Product answer should be 24. What are the factors you have for that? What all the tables 24 will go?
6 times 4, 8 times 3, 24, 1, 2 times 12.
Yes, enough. Good, good. Find the product that has two factors 7. Hello, Srashti? I have asked a question for you. I asked a
Okay.
question. Find the product that has two
Miss,
factors
what is
7.
happening?
You move your cursor from there. Your pen is moving that. Just move your cursor from there.
Okay.
Sometimes when you keep also there, it will move. 1 minute. Just a minute. Here it is. Find the product that has two factors 7.
Hello?
Yeah, I have asked a question, Sashri.
1
Number
times
4.
7.
2 factors 7. 1 and 7. Ah,
1
yes,
and
yes.
7.
Yeah, correct, correct. Okay, next one. Estimating the product, 1 minute. This page is repeated. What is the first page for this? This is also repeated. I think it has got pasted so many times. 1 minute. Yes. Estimating the sum and differences. This one you were saying, right?
I'm feeling little difficulty.
Ah, yes, yes. Okay, no problem. See, estimating the sum and differences means you have to, suppose for example, how will you add this 2 plus 5 plus 4? The place value you have to take. Unit place means first you have to add all the unit place. Okay, fine. And so suppose for example, here what will happen? 2 plus 5 plus 4. Okay, Srashti? What is 2 plus 5 plus 4? You have to use only the front digit for estimating the sum or difference. Okay. So other places you have to put it as 0 only. Okay. Because we are going to give the estimated value. That means, see, that 200 and something is like, if in a shop or something you are going to buy something, the approximate value we will be saying, right? You will say, tell at least approximate value. That's like that. That's called as an estimate. Okay. But not the exact value. Exact value will be 11,234, like that. Okay. But estimating means that is okay. I will take like this. I will see one laptop, okay, or a phone, and I will ask you to estimate, means guess what is the amount of that. You will say some value. Yes, Rashni? You cannot say the exact 200, 12 rupees, 12 paise, like that and all. Exactly, you will have a round of value, right? You will say 11,000, 10,000, like that. Okay. Same thing here also. So here you are going to estimate, or you are going to tell me the approximate value of that. Okay, fine. For that, what you have to do, you have to, suppose it is in hundreds place alone is given. Okay, the first digit, front digit alone you have to add. Okay, Srashti? So if I add, I'm getting 11 here. Understood? What are the three digits? It's 11,000. So the estimated sum is 11,000. Okay? Yes? Similarly, for the subtraction, what you have to do, they have given 72,940, okay, minus 27,832. Fine, Sashti? Keep it in mind, bigger number you have to put first. And take the first front digit alone, okay? 7 minus 2 will be 5. So it will be 50,000. Understood? Okay? So what you have to do for estimating sum and differences, front digit alone you have to take and you have
Miss,
to
but
estimate
how
it.
can we keep this thousand, this thing thousand?
No,
Uh,
1 minute. Let me take one exercise or something. I will. This is again repeated.
what is
Yes.
happening?
Write in standard form,
Miss, there
expanded
is
form.
no millions period for us.
Oh, okay. 1 minute. Let me take that. Otherwise, I will give my own question. Whole numbers, place value. Um, Nearest to million, not this. Estimating exercise where it is. Okay, I will give my own number. Okay, Sashti? Okay, 1 minute.
Miss, 1 second, I will come.
Yeah. You're writing the answer, Srishti?
Yes.
You have to add the front digit, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing it.
3 plus. Oh, okay, okay. You are writing it. Okay, okay. I thought that you are writing the answer. Okay. Yeah, right.
3 and this is 3.
Hmm.
This all is gonna be
Hmm. How many ever zeros are there? You just skip them.
3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8,000. Sorry, it's 80,000.
Yes, correct. So you have to say that the estimated sum is 80,000. Okay.
No, miss, approximately 80,000.
Yeah, that's what estimating or approximating both are same. Okay.
Okay.
Approximately you are saying the same. Okay, good. Next one. A subtraction. I have given one problem. Just try that. I think for standard form, I have a worksheet. I will. Meanwhile, I will upload that file. Okay.
Miss, my name is not Srushti. Shrashti.
That I'm always forgetting. Sorry. Srishti. Srishti, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Miss, you also wrote here Shrashti dogs.
Again? Oh, okay. Sorry. That
I
is for
told,
my convenience only. I'll leave it.
I told you the spelling was.
Hmm.
Wait. Uh, why my spelling was okay.
Yeah. Yes, Srishti. Okay. Srishti. Oh, sorry. 1 second. Let me upload the file. Yes, you subtracted and gave the answer. What is the answer for this?
5,000.
No, subtraction, right?
Yeah. Oh, sorry. 1,000.
Yes. Okay. Just a minute. Let me upload the two files. Okay. For expanded and the standard form. Okay. Both the things I'm going to give
Easy.
the. Okay. Yeah. 1 minute. Just a minute. Done. Oh, it's taking time. Just a minute. The other one also let it. Uh, yes, it's. I think this is done. Okay. Now see this expanded numbers you have to give. Srishti. Okay. Okay. 4,562. Write the expanded form for this.
Oh, well, 4,000. 4,000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 2.
Yes. Next one.
2,000 plus 300 plus 1 plus 10 plus 9.
Yes. Next one. Number C.
Number C. 5,000 plus 0 plus 5,000 plus 60 plus 7.
Hmm. Okay. Now give this in the normal form. Okay. Yes.
6,536. 2,000,
Okay.
2,000, wait,
Hmm.
2,204.
Yes.
2009, 2019.
Hmm. Yes.
Wait,
Okay.
2020. Okay. 5,902,
Yeah.
7,323,
So when you are
4,004.
writing like this, you have to put a 0 for this. Okay. Fine, Srishti? Yes?
Okay,
So that you
okay,
should be careful. Maximum we will make mistake in that only. We will directly write it like this. This will become wrong or this will also, okay?
okay.
902. So the tens place alone is not there. So here you have to put 0. Okay? Yes. Next. Yeah, what about number?
4,444, 6,980.
Yes. Okay, these are the answers. Okay, now come to this one.
It's only
Okay.
this much
Yeah.
small.
Word form. Can you tell me the word form? You just write it. Okay, you try with this one, Srishti. 6093. So word
Can
form
I
you write
write?
and then expanded form.
Can I write it in the board?
Whiteboard? Ah, yeah, sure.
Wait, what?
6093. Okay, 1 minute.
Wait, what is the 6090? Okay. 093. Um, 900. 3.
Hmm. Yes. Okay, next one. Expanded form also you have written there. Just write the expanded form, Srishti.
Okay. I'm closing this. Miss, I wrote it.
Oh, okay, it's coming late for me. Sorry. Okay. Next, 1 minute. Yeah. Write the standard form and expanded form for this. Okay, 1 minute. Let me give the number. Just try with F.
Okay. 6, 7.
Hmm. And the expanded form.
8,000 plus
Hmm.
60 plus 7.
Hmm. Yes. Okay. 1 second. This is fine. Okay. Can you tell me the two-digit greatest number?
2 digits.
This is like a quiz I'm
99.
asking you. Okay, 3 digits.
3 digits. Wait, 3 digits, I think 999. 9,099.
Yes. Okay, two-digit smallest number.
10.
Yes. Okay. Three-digit smallest number.
100 and 1,000.
Ah, yes. Okay, good. Hmm. Before and after given numbers, this is not there, no? Yes, place value is there for you. Okay. Tell me the place values, Srishti.
Okay. I'll tell you the please read. Miss is not writing for me.
1 minute, 1 minute. You have to go scroll down and come back, Srishti. Even my pen is not writing in this page. 1 minute. Yes. Now,
My pen.
yeah. 1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, my pen is coming down. Write the given number. Yes, now my pen is writing. Yes. Okay.
My pen is not writing.
Okay, let me write it on the whiteboard. 9854. Okay. 1 minute, 1 minute.
Mine is writing here.
That way it will go. Sometimes in that particular page it won't write. You have to scroll the page and come there. 9854. What is the place value for this?
Can you scroll down? Okay, this one I think it is 8.
Hmm.
Hello?
Yes, Trishti. You have written. It has not come for me. Yes, it's come. Okay, slowly. It is very slow. Okay. Then the next one, 1 minute. Right?
5,000.
Yeah, ascending and descending order, that's not your syllabus. Okay.
Indicate the largest number.
Predecessor, Roman numerals and all is not there, no, now.
No, it was in my Olympiad. Now it's the normal book.
Yes, yes. Okay, these are all for this one. Okay, this is for angles. Okay, just a minute. Let me check some other things are there in this. Okay, just a minute. In your textbook, what, anything else, Srishti, you have doubt? Okay. How many thousands are there in 90 hundreds?
Okay, 1900s, then 2000? No. 1900s means what?
Hmm.
800, 900,
Hmm.
thousands, 4,000s.
How much?
4.
Yeah.
20 tens. 20 tens, I think it's only one.
Yes. Okay. Next one. How many thousands are there in 36 hundreds?
I don't like this word. Tell the truth. Okay, I take a brush. Now
Ah.
I 3600.
Hmm.
2.
3600. How many? Yes. Okay. Fine. This you will be able to do expanded form and this one. Next 1 minute. Let me go. Okay. Yeah. 1 minute, Srishti.
This is in the
Um,
expanded form, I think so.
yeah. Write the numbers presented by the diagram in standard form, expanded form, and inverts.
Please,
So
I
one,
don't have to write in words. Yeah.
yeah. So how, what it will be this? This box is for what? How many place value? What is the place value of this?
300, 20 tens, 324.
Yes. Okay. Then next one. Uh, 1 minute. So that's what. This is for hundreds. Okay. This is for 10, and this is only one square is for ones. Okay. Yes. This you are able to do. Then. Okay. 1 minute. Yeah. Round the
Easy
given
business
numbers to
card.
nearest tens, hundreds, and thousands. Yes.
Easy
This
business
concept.
card. I can do the activity also.
Okay. Shall I give one worksheet then?
Okay, miss, give me.
Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Mm,
I didn't send you the activities. Send you the activities. Why don't happen? My phone.
1 minute. 1 second. Oh, okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes, this is what I expected, but I wanted to download this. How can I do that? Oh my God,
Oh my God,
downloading is not
miss.
possible.
Very
1 minute here.
bad.
It's not coming. Oh,
Yeah, miss, it's not
1 minute.
coming. 1 minute.
Hmm,
Mm,
just a minute.
just
PDF, it is not available actually. They
PDF
are
it is
giving, if I
not
have to, then I have to share my screen.
then I have to share my screen. Okay, Miss Ken.
Okay, then. Okay, just a minute then. That time will also be saved also. 1 minute then. Just a minute. Yes, 1 second. Let me share my screen, okay? That's better.
Okay.
Time will also be saved instead of uploading the file or whatever it is. Okay? Nearest thousands, millions, everything is there for you, right? Okay. You're able to see my screen now?
Miss, I do this always.
Pardon?
I do this things always the K5 learning one.
K5. Yeah, it's a very good actually. It's K5 learning is very good for our practices.
And you know, from
Okay.
K5 learning, you just gave me the money word problems, right?
Ah, yes, yes. Okay, round it to the nearest 10. You remember the rules for that, Sushri?
Yes.
For nearest. Ha. Before 5, you have to keep it to the below value. After 5, you have to go to the next one. Okay. So what will be the nearest 10 for this? 497.
Um, this one is bigger. So what should I do? 500.
Yes. 577.
Wait, miss, wait.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, wait, just wait. 7 plus 1, right? So, no, plus 1. Yeah, 500. Okay, so number 2
Ah,
is number 77. 580. Number
very good.
3
Mm.
is number 3 is mm, I don't 220.
Very good. Okay, number 4.
200 and 380, 780,
Very good.
500, 510,
Mm.
720,
Very good.
900.
Aha, 710, Srashti, number 7. Because,
No,
no, Srashti, where is the number? It's tens place. What is the number? 1. Below 5, you will round it off to the below 1, right?
no, 5 is bigger than 5, miss. So there is 20, miss.
Nearest to 10, you have to see. Don't see the ones place.
No, miss, it's 20.
715, right? Okay. Continue. Correct. Okay. 909.
Yes, miss, look. 900 and 910.
Okay. 418.
420,
Yes. Okay.
410, 900 and 980, 860, 900, okay, 900 and it is okay, 900 and
10.
yes,
It's 07,
900,
right?
okay, 910.
Hmm.
So, 910, 500, 530,
Hmm.
806, 860,
Hmm.
830,
Very good.
680,
Very good.
160,
Hmm.
five, five, with 500,
Very good. Next.
500, 320,
Very good.
750.
Okay. So next class, I will prepare all these things, estimating your multiplication division. I will prepare a question paper and keep. You have to solve that before starting the next topic. Okay. Please ask your mom to send the next topic. Okay. Next one for nearest to 10 we have done. Okay. Next, nearest to 10 hundreds, right? Okay. 1 minute. This is 0 to 10 hundreds. Okay. Next, we are going into hundreds.
100.
Okay. Yes. 7,000.
7,200,
Hmm.
6,000, 6,000, five, sorry, yeah, 6,000, 503, 5,300, 4,600, 4,700, 1,200, means 1,000.
Hmm.
1,200,
Hmm.
6,000, 6,200,
Hmm.
7,600,
Hmm.
6,005. What is it? 6,000,
200. No, no, not 200. 300.
300. So
Hmm.
6,300, 6,300, 8,000, 8,000.
8,500 it is. Only up to 30 it has gone. No, if it is going above 50 or so, more than that only, you will go to
Oh,
the next one.
okay, okay. Okay, 5,800,
Hmm.
1,100,
Hmm.
4,000, 500,
Hmm.
9,006, 9,006, 9,700,
Hmm.
8,000,
Hmm.
8,600,
Hmm.
9,300.
Hmm. Next one. Yeah.
Okay. I'll be there. 6,000. Wait.
6,000.
6,300,
Yes.
5,000, 5,900,
Hmm.
6,500,
Hmm.
6,000, sorry, 600 and, sorry, 600,
Hmm.
600 only, 4,000, 4,500, 9,000, 70,
Okay. Next one. Sorry, my son is disturbing. Sorry, sorry. 1 minute.
9,800 it was. Okay.
Yes. Okay, I understood this one. Okay, this is fine. Next one again, we will go into thousands. Okay, you are able to do that. Nearest to thousands. Okay. Mm. Yes. Okay. Now this one for thousands you have to do. Okay.
Okay. Back again. This is the first one. The first one is 6,000. The second one is 10,000. What we call the third one. The third one is 210 only.
Mm.
The fourth one is 3,000. The
Mm.
fifth one is 9,000. So yeah, the fifth one is 10,000.
Yeah.
The fifth one is 10,000. The sixth one is seven means 8,000. The
Mm.
seventh one is 9,000.
Mm.
The eighth one is 2,000. The ninth one is 3,000. The tenth
Correct.
one, okay, the tenth one
Mm.
is 6,000. The twelfth one is 6,000. The
Mm.
eleventh one is 3,000. The
Mm.
twelfth one is 2,000. The thirteenth
Yes.
one is 9,000. The
Okay.
fourteenth one
Mm.
is 2,000. The
Mm.
15th one is 3,000.
Mm.
The 16th one,
1 minute. 16th one, I will make it out. Yes. Sure.
the 16th one is 1,000. The
Mm.
17th one is 8,000. The 18th one is 9,000. The 19th one is 1,000. The
Mm.
20th one is
Mm.
wait, yeah.
Mm.
So. The 20th one is
Mm.
1,000. The
Mm.
21st one is 5,000.
Very good. Okay. Next one. 1 minute. Okay. Thousands we have done. Yeah. 10,000s. Okay. Millions worksheet I will give you.
No,
Rounding off to
miss,
millions
I
is there,
didn't
no?
dig million. I didn't dig million. I didn't dig million.
Okay, you wanted to do, right?
I didn't dig million.
No, millions is there in your syllabus. Oh,
Yes, but I don't have, I just sent you like this, but the Mr. didn't told me, the sir didn't told us
oh,
to
they
do
have not
million.
taught in the class. Okay, okay, okay.
Oh, okay.
Fine. 10,000.
Okay, 5,500. Sorry.
Slowly, slowly.
5,060,
It's
5,000.
55,000. No, 5 lakh. 5 lakh.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Yes. 50. Yes. Sushti, continue, continue. Okay.
Yes, your voice is very bad. I can't even hear you.
No, your voice is, I'm not able to hear your voice. It's not audible. Hello? Yeah,
Yes.
tell me, Sushti. What is the answer for that?
560,000.
Okay. Then this one, number 2.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Next one I told. Number 2.
Miss, your voice is too down.
Why my mic is now you are able to hear?
Yes, I'm able to hear, but your voice is too down.
Why my speaker? Oh, the same way I have kept.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, now okay.
Okay. Now number 2.
3,000.
Hmm.
300 and
Hmm?
sorry, where am I?
Hmm.
Yes, I 380 means 390,000.
Hmm.
820,000.
Okay, then.
101,000.
Hmm.
Thousand. Okay. Five.
Hmm.
Five.
Hmm.
mm, Five. Okay. 507,000.
Hmm.
570,000.
Hmm.
780,000. Five
Very good.
hundred and okay. That's okay. Hello?
Yeah, yeah. I'm waiting for your answer, Srishti.
Yes, yes, I can do number seven. I don't know.
It's 59, right? So 60 it would be. Okay. So the next round you have to go with. Hmm.
Right? Okay.
Hmm. Then next one,
The number eight.
840. It will be going on. Okay. Yes. Next one, number 9. What? 37. How will you round it off to the next nearest to 10,000 means it will be 40,000, right?
Yeah.
That's what I was saying. Then next one, number 9.
Yeah. 970,000.
Hmm.
One hundred and 50,000.
Hmm.
420,000. No, 430,000.
Hmm.
650,000.
Yes, Srishti, you are able to do this. Now I will go to the whiteboard. 1 minute. Just a minute. Okay. So mine is like, oh, the time is over. Okay, I will continue. I will first give the test on the next class, and please ask your mom to send the next topic to me. Okay, fine,
Okay.
Srishti. And one more thing. Yeah, you write the test, and I will send the report to your mom. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So, any other doubt for today you have? Anything doubt you have?
No, miss.